In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a photo on Canva business card. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva website to open it. If this is something you'll do often, it's handy to bookmark the page so you can get back to your designs quickly. Next, log into your Canva account. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. Logging in ensures your uploads and designs are saved and easy to access later. Once you're in, choose a business card template. You can type business card in the search bar to see a wide range of designs, sizes, and styles. Pick a template that fits your brand or start with a blank card if you prefer full control. If you know you'll include a photo, templates with a photo placeholder or frame can make placement even faster. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Uploads tab. This is where you'll bring your photo into Canva. You'll see options for images, videos, and audio, but we'll focus on images for this card. Click the Upload Files button. A file picker will open on your computer. Choose a high-quality photo. JPG and PNG both work well. For print, aim for a clear, sharp image to avoid blurriness. If you have multiple versions, select the one with the best lighting and enough space around the subject so you can crop it neatly. Select your photo and click Open. You'll see it appear in your Uploads panel. If it's a large file, give it a moment. You'll notice a progress indicator while it's uploading. Avoid clicking away or closing the tab until the upload completes. When the upload is finished, click the photo thumbnail. Canva will place it onto your business card. If your template has a photo frame, the image will snap into that area automatically. If not, it will drop onto the canvas and you can position it wherever you need. Now resize and move the photo to fit your design. Drag the corner handles to scale while keeping proportions looking natural. Click and drag to reposition. If you need to crop, double-click the image and adjust the crop box to frame the subject cleanly. Use the position options to send the photo backward or forward so it sits correctly behind or in front of other elements. Align with the smart guides to keep everything straight and leave a safe margin around edges to account for printing bleed. Finally, check that text remains readable and that the photo enhances your brand rather than overpowering the layout. And that's it. Your photo is now placed perfectly on your Canva business card.